kitchen and flag. Everything good, me say nothing do bad. Wave she a wave the Jamaican flag. You better subscribe to the vibe that she have. Remember to like, remember to subscribe, hit the bell icon. Rose, kitchen and vlog. Tell you.
Hi my beautiful people, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make a simple and easy recipe, and it's chicken salad. This recipe is easy as ABC. Alright, it's tasty, it's delicious, it's simple, it's yummy, all the above. Alright, so let's get started. So everyone, here I'm going to make my dressing. So I have my extra virgin olive oil, Dijon mustard, apple cider vinegar, and lemon juice. Okay, also adding 1 garlic clove, black pepper. I add some onion season, Italian season, and stir. Okay, so now we're going to blend it. And here is my dressing. We're going to put it aside, and here is my cherry tomato which I rinse off. Okay, and I'm going to cut them in quarters. So here is my bacon, and I'm just cutting them up, guys, and I'm going to fry them. Also to put in my salad. And here I have 1 chicken breast which I wash in lemon juice and vinegar and dry. Okay, and just season it. And now I put my bacons in the pan and let them fry. Okay, so I'm just going to also fry my 1 chicken breast in the same pan. You could grill your chicken, and how you want to do your chicken, you do what is best for you. And I'm also going to add pear/avocado. Guys, this salad going to be so tasty. And I use romaine lettuce, okay, which I rinse. You could also use spring mix. And I add my corns, cucumber, my tomato, my avocado, my bacons, my chicken, and some red onions. And then I drizzle some of my nice dressing. You could also sprinkle some black pepper. Alright, so here is my nice and easy and simple and tasty chicken salad. Guys, please try this recipe. So from my kitchen to yours, have a blessed day. One love. God bless. Bye.
Good, me say nothing do bad. Wave the Jamaican flag. You better subscribe to the vibe where she have. Remember tell you about Rose, kitchen and vlog. Everything good, me say nothing do bad. Wave the Jamaican flag.